Hello everyone, this video will be just a quick heads up about what's next. So far I've shown you the basics of Arduino programming and I thought it would be fun thing to do the following videos under an overarching project. So I choose the famous radar project with some minor twist. There will be 4 ultrasonic distance sensors in 4 directions, a small stepper motor will take care of the rotation, the parts will be 3D printed and the visualization will be done with the processing language. Let me give you an overview of what the following 6 or 7 videos will be about. The first video will be about how to use an ultrasonic distance sensor. Then we are going to make a class for these kinds of sensors, so we can handle any number of them without a problem. After that, we want the radar to turn, so we are going to have a closer look at a unipolar stepper motor and learn how to drive it. When we done that, we will make a class for the steppers too, and we are going to implement the motor's turn function without a delay. Also, the motor will be able to turn back and forth. Then we are going to add some new features, for example the ultrasonic sensor will have a filter function and the stepper will get a better driving method. After that, the hardware stuff is mostly completed, so it's time to write the software for the visualization of the radar. As I have mentioned earlier, this will be done with processing. Maybe there will be a 7th video about the design of the case and 3D printing advice and the overall assembly of the radar. As always, the required components, the code and the STL files for 3D printing will be in the descriptions of the videos. So, if you are interested, make sure to hit the subscribe button, I will post a video every week. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. See you next time.